Want to know how to change your Facebook dating location? Changing your Facebook dating location allows you to connect with people in different areas, or if you want to explore potential matches outside your current location. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to change your Facebook dating location. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the Settings and Privacy option. Again tap on the Settings option. Likewise, scroll down to your Activity section. And tap on the Device Permission option. Here you can see multiple options. Now tap on the Location. Furthermore, tap on the Update settings at the bottom of your screen. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on the Open Device Settings option. Moreover, tap on the App Permission option under the Permission section. Finally, enable the location by selecting while using the app option. So this is how to change Facebook dating location. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.